Welcome back. In today's lecture, we're going to look at how to find the mode in a list of data. So the mode is the number that occurs the most in the set of data. So how do we know this? Sometimes you might have more than one that occurs the most. So we're going to look at all the different options. You always arrange your data in ascending order, in other words, from smallest to biggest to start with. And then if you have your data now arranged like that, and you can see here 3 1s, 4 2s, and the rest are only occurring once. So we have 1 that occurs more than once and 2 that occurs more than once. So the one that occurs the most is going to be the mode, and that would be the 2 over here, because it occurs 4 times and 1 occurs 3 times. So the mode in this case is 2. Right, let's look at the next one. If data contains an equal amount of entries, then there is no mode. So what do we mean by that? Well, let's look at this data. We have 3 2s, we have 3 3s, and we have 3 4s. So that means there is no mode. There isn't one that occurs more than the rest. If data contains more than one entry equal to another set, then you have a multiple mode. So let's look at our data. We have 2 3 4, then we have 5 5, 6 7, 8 8 9. So 5 occurs twice and 8 occurs twice. They are equal. So in that case, we have a multiple mode, and we're going to list them both. So the multiple mode is 5 and 8. Okay, so now mode, you've got that now under your belt, and you can understand that nicely. Those are the different ways in which your mode will be working on your exams and your tests. If you're not already part of the people and the students following me with my statistics, then just press subscribe there and you can be part of the daily walk, and I'll see all of you tomorrow.